If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy A56 5G has AI features, then the answer is yes. And the list of these AI tools can be found by going to settings. Then over here we can choose advanced features, and then we can go to intelligent features. There we go. Now over here we have some example AI features that we have on this phone. For example, we have the object eraser that allows us to erase selected objects or subjects from the photo. We also have the best face, so we can get every face just right, and this feature allows you to fix closed eyes or awkward expressions by choosing better faces from other frames in your motion photos. So this works only for motion photos. Then we also have edit suggestions, so if you swipe up on a picture, for example, or video in gallery, or if you tap the 4-star icon, then you can see the best edits and effects that you can apply. So this is pretty much for video and photo editing. We have custom filters in the camera app. We can create our own photos based on a photo of our selection. So it is actually pretty cool. So if you have a photo with cool effects that has cool colors or something, then you can use it as a base to create your own filter. We also have the auto trim, which allows you to automatically trim videos, to cut down videos to the best moments. We also have the AI select, which is actually available, for example, over here in the sidebar. Here is the list of actions that this tool can do. And we also have read aloud, where we can listen to pages on websites and articles and read these texts out loud. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!